Welcome to the workshop. Right, in this short video we're going to look at how to board words, how to generate an exercise, and how to trigger auto revision for students. Three essential things. Okay, now to board a word I can put in the word here. I know saw, for example. That's a noun. Click search. Now we do have a reference here, but this definition has not been checked by a teacher and it's not been approved. So what we need to do before we do this is we need to check if the words are in the system. So here we have the word extinct. It's in the category of the environment. There are about 4,000 words that have been checked on the system. So I can change the word extinct. I think that was a verb. No results. If there are no results, you can do all. There we go. Okay, state description, not alive. The students are extinct. Okay. So then here, the teacher gets to see all the data. And if there are any problems, click a button, mistake, and that will send us a report so we can update all this data. Are there any problems? So I'm going to add this now, and you can see it shows the lemma. It shows UK pronunciation, both phonemes and IPA, US pronunciation, both phonemes and IPA. And this pronunciation system is based on research from Cambridge University and Carnegie Mellon, and it's about connected speech pronunciation, not dictionary pronunciation of words. You have a definition which would have these categories to give the student an understanding of that this is not food, that this is not garden equipment, a definition written for students, an example sentence, conjugation, and then some related but non-direct synonyms. We have all of that there. Now we know the word extinct exists, so now we can use it to generate some exercises. So let's create a slideshow. Let's call it environment. I can put in the word extinct here, search category, and we have all of these words. So I'm going to add all of those words. Then you have to wait a little bit while it's cooking. Quite a few words I added there. Right, there we go. Now you can of course edit all of these slides. You can change the text. You can add your own voice as well, or simply record your voice. And then you click this back button, you click use, and then we can see the slideshow is there. Can you see? 27 slides generated in seconds. Now, when it comes to revision, because we have already added the word extinct here, you'll see this number 1 has appeared in study list. You can click that and all the words will appear here, and then you simply click the class that you want to save this to, and then that will send revision exercises to all the students in the class. Revision exercises is a full testing of every lexical item, so in terms of vowel changes, syllable stress, spelling, conjugation, etc. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and read on, and then we have a project for you, so you can have a go and create your own content. Okay, enjoy.